welcome back to my channel. Buenos dias, ¿cómo están? Today is October 22nd and I'm so sad because October is almost ending, and in Arizona, like, it never feels like fall here, so it kind of sucks because you know what I mean. Anyways, so today we're gonna be going to a pumpkin patch, I believe, and deciding to vlog today because that's like the only fall thing that I'm gonna do this month, apparently, because it's almost over. I can't believe it. It's so crazy, but it is. I'm gonna bring you guys on today's festivities that we're gonna be doing. All right, so I'm trying to get ready. I'm already kind of ready. My hair is ready, my makeup's ready. I've been liking the no eyelash, or like the false eyelash look, because I feel like it makes my eyes look bigger. But I can't find anything cute to wear. But it is so hot that I don't know what to wear. Like, I don't know what to wear that's gonna make it look cute. I did find this flannel from my husband's closet. The colors are fall, but I don't know if it's gonna be too hot for this. Excuse the mess, you guys. I'm trying on stuff. But I know it's gonna be hot out there, so I'm probably not gonna wear this. I went with the white shirt. This bra is making it look ugly, but what do you guys think? Should I take a hat like this, or maybe this one? That's fit me kind of loose. Lack of color. You're lacking on the sizing, because I ordered the smallest size and it's kind of big. Anyways, I don't know if I should take it or if I should take like this type of hat with me. My piercing kind of hurts with this one though. Like, I don't know if I should take this type of hat or the other. I feel like the other one. Or I'm just like not putting it right. Okay, well, I'm ready. But while we wait to see if my friend is done getting ready or whatever, I'm gonna show you guys some of my fall decor, which I didn't even purchase a lot of things because I am currently decluttering my home. So yeah, let me show you. This is like the only thing that I have on my dining table. I found a bag of these little garlic looking pumpkins and this bowl. I've been looking for a white bowl, and then I found this one. It has speckles, like it's like off-white and it has white speckles. The bowl was $20 from Home Goods, and then these were like $7.99 for the pack. I ended up putting like the paper that they put when they're wrapping like this type of stuff, because it wasn't enough pumpkins to fill it up. But this is what I have. Very minimal here on my dining area. These are the pumpkins that I had thrifted, and then I just painted these. They were orange. I didn't do the bottom good, but it's okay because nobody's gonna see that. And I really don't know where to put them, so they're just here in my coffee table. I also picked up this little broomstick for, you know, my witches out there, and it actually smells like cinnamon, and I've got it at Home Depot. For this part of the kitchen, I just have this wood bowl from at home, and then just these pumpkins. I think they were from last year at the Dollar Tree. And then over here, I found these little candlesticks. They're like pumpkin candlesticks, like cement ones. I have no idea where to put these, so they're just here for now. These candles are kind of loose. And then I have my Mr. and Mrs. Pumpkin. I know people don't like when things have words in them, but I got it last year when we were planning our wedding, and I was just so excited. So this is always gonna remind me of when I was planning my wedding. And then I just have this candle that matches the pumpkin. And basically what I mainly got for this year were candles. I picked up the spiced apple from the DW Home. I don't know if you guys know or watch. I'm pretty sure you guys do watch Sharika here on YouTube, but she was talking about this brand, but it was the apple pumpkin one, and I could not find the other one. And then I found this one, and it's the spiced apple. This one smells so good. I loved spiced, so I got 2 of these, and then just a white pumpkin one. I got 2 of these as well, and then I got the other one, which you guys are on top of it because I'm using it as a stand. But it's this one right here. It's from Sand and Frog. It's the apple cider one. It's not focusing. But yeah, that's pretty much what I got for fall. Mainly just candles. At least it's gonna smell like fall. Okay, I ended up changing my whole outfit. I wasn't feeling the other botitas. And then just the other hat is super cute, but I mean, what if I'm like doing a lot of things? So I'm just wearing these boots, and I felt like it went better with this hat. So I'm about to start heading out there. Okie dokie. First I need to go check where. I am so thirsty. Like, ya me pegó la temblorina because I have not eaten at all. So I'm gonna check where is the place, and then I'll see you guys over there. I'm back home. It was so hot out there, but it was nice to catch up a little. My husband's home from work already, and we're gonna go out to dinner because it's my dad's birthday. So I need to fix his present up. Let's do a little haul of what I got him. I got him some steak strips because they looked so good, and then this is what he always eats whenever we go on like road trips. So I got him that, and then I got him a shirt for work for when it's cold. These type of flannels. Supposedly Carhartt is a good brand. This brand right here. I was gonna get him a thicker one, but maybe it's too hot if he works outside. I don't know. I was just taking advice from my husband because he was telling me that it was gonna be too hot maybe. And then I got him a speaker, a Bud Light speaker. I said Budweiser. Like, it's so cool. It looks like an actual bottle. They also had like the Budweiser one, but I've never seen him drink Budweiser. I've seen him with this one before, so they only have those 2. And then they have the can version, but I like this one better because it was like, it looks more realistic. So, you know, when they work outside y se quieren echar unas afuera and they want to listen to some music, this one's good for the occasion. Because I think he lost his speaker, the one that, like those little expensive ones or something. So this one's good in case que se lo vaya a perder. No, I'm just kidding. That's pretty much all I got him because it was so last minute. Got him good stuff. Y así nomás quedó, viejón.
Low. Low of what?
Came to living spaces. We're starting to look at couches and just furniture. Let's go. I like this pillow.
I like this color red.
I like this for like jewelry. It's $11 on sale just because it's chipped a little bit. But you can't even see it
Nothing.
that much. This one reminds me of the African baskets, but it is $85. I like it though. Maybe I'll get it. But not when he's here. I'm just kidding. Okay, so I wanted the Utopia, but my husband doesn't like it because it's too aguado for him. So we found another one which is like a little bit more firm.
Way more firm. The other ones,
But I like it's
the other ones feel like they're
me.
like pillows, so it doesn't look like a nice firm look.
But that
Like
makes
this one. Show them.
no, I can't show them till like if we get them.
Oh.
And if you guys don't know, the Utopia is the one that's like the
Popular
dupe,
one?
the dupe for the Cloud from Restoration Hardware. But he doesn't like it because it's too like low for him,
Oh, you're más caros,
and he doesn't like that it's like too low and aguado. The thing about living spaces is that you can customize it however you want it, the color,
the layout,
texture, the layouts.
texture, color. You can choose your own pieces, all fully customizable. Alright guys,
We got a couch. What's gonna
we got
get
the
made?
couch, so about 6 weeks. Give us about 6 weeks and should be ready, delivered and installed. So we're excited for that.
I can't believe we got a couch. I'm so excited. Aren't you?
Yes.
Okay, so we're back home. It's another day. So I just wanted to show you guys what I got at Living Spaces. I ended up finding one of the little bowls. This one right here. I thought the other one was on sale because of the chipped area that I showed you guys, but this one ended up being $11 as well. So I grabbed it. It looked cute on top of some books the way they had it set up. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take it. It looks good, literally standing anywhere. So that was the only thing I got besides our couches. I don't know if you guys remember, I think it was a Q&A video before we got married of me and my husband. Somebody had asked about what was our goals for 2020, and then we had mentioned about maybe getting another house, but yeah, 2020 happened, and then, you know, all of its drama that it came with as in the virus. But we, you know, we did look around, but the prices on houses really did go up, and we were looking at houses and we knew of people that were getting houses, and just like seeing how much they got the house for and their payments, kind of like pretty much little things like that. We decided that it wasn't worth it because literally a house this size costed like double or more. So we decided to stay here, obviously, and we're gonna renovate it instead, which I'm super excited because renovating a house is like us basically designing the kitchen, the restrooms, all of that. So I'm very excited for that. Will make it more of our style. I'll say mine, because, you know, husbands don't care. But I'm super excited for that. We already do have the tile. We've been having our tile for a long time already. We were supposed to put it before our wedding, but weddings are expensive, so we decided to wait because, you know, you just never know how much you're gonna spend at the end of the day. So we decided to wait for this year, and we also decided that we're gonna be renovating, so might as well do everything new-ish, in a way, you know, like new countertops, because I'm gonna show you guys like the before and afters. Maybe I should do a series on like renovating. I don't know, I'm still thinking about how I should do these videos, but I'm gonna be showing you guys like, because it has like its original counters and doors and everything, and it's just like an orangey color type of wood, and I don't like that at all. So I'm super excited for, you know, to start. And like I said, we're already started to look around and get some inspo. Obviously Pinterest is like the main place to get inspo, but yeah, I'm excited to take you guys in this journey with us, if you guys won't mind. I'm still gonna do it anyways. But anyways, I'm super excited. But yeah, maybe in the near future we'll get like a bigger house and toda la cosa. You know, it's just me and my husband, so estamos a gusto, we don't have kids, yada yada. Special announcement moment. So I just want to say thank you guys for the ones who support me, you know, subscribe, watch my videos, all of that. Thank you. And because of you guys, I did finally get monetized. And I want to do a giveaway for you guys. I want to give away one of her. I don't know if you guys can see her. Why? Because I mentioned her in one of my videos down below, like a couple months ago. I think the Amazon find video that I have, I'll link it down below. Ever since I had her, you know, this is one of the like decor pieces that I haven't moved. If you like decorating, you know that you're always moving things around, switching things. But she is actually one of the pieces that has stayed like in the same spot, because I just love how she looks there. This is one of like my favorite decor pieces that I have in my beauty room office studio. She's just one of my favorite pieces. You can basically put her on top of any console table, your media console, your vanity, a bookshelf. She literally can go anywhere, and she fits right in with any type of decor, to be honest. I think I'm gonna even use her to hold my necklaces. I think that would be cute. Okay, so since this giveaway is gonna be my first giveaway, I kind of want it to be special for the people who are actually already subscribed to me. So I'm not gonna be asking you to like subscribe, go follow me here, whatever. I want this to be, I'm not gonna be mentioning anything about this giveaway like on my Instagram or any social media, or even on the title of this video. This is only for like my main, like, you know, my real supporters that stay to the end of the video. So if you stay to the end of the video, you know about this giveaway. And the only rule is that you just have to comment down below what type of videos you've enjoyed of the ones that I've been posting, and what type of videos you guys would like to see in the near future. And also just comment down below your Instagram handle, or if you don't have Instagram, your email. That way I can contact you guys, whoever is a winner. Okay.